So my dog pooped on my rug sometime in the middle of the night last night because she had diarrhea. I've already removed the lumpy and liquidy stool masses because that's just totally gross to show. But I wanted to show you how cleaning up dog poop has become no big deal for me ever since I got myself a small wet vac. I looked online and bought this rug doctor because it was the cheapest one with good reviews. I bought it many years ago for around $100, and I've used it several times since then to clean up dog poop, dog pee, and dog vomit. And every time I use it, I think this has been money so well spent. So I thought I'd show you just how well it works, and it makes cleaning up dog poop so easy. What you can see is that the vacuum cleaner is suctioning up poop plus liquid. Now, where did all that liquid come from? It's mostly cleaner solution that I'm spraying over the poop and the rug as I'm running the vacuum over the rug, and that's what's being pulled up. Here's a side view showing the cleaner solution being sprayed and suctioned up. When it looks like all the poop is gone, I stop spraying the solution and just continue vacuuming to suction up any remaining liquid. The rug looks pretty clean, so I'm going to stop now. And this has taken all of 2 minutes and 20 seconds. So here's a close-up of the spray mechanism. There's a spray nozzle located behind the vacuum brush, and there's a button that I depress to spray the solution manually. Now here's what you couldn't see at all, and it's the brush head moving back and forth really quickly to scrub the surface. So the way it works is, I spray the solution, the brush head scrubs the carpet, and what gets scrubbed off is then suctioned up. And then it goes into the waste tank. All that brown water in the waste tank is actually from cleaning 3 different poop spots. You saw me cleaning just one spot, but my dog had diarrhea and made 3 separate puddles of runny stool. The white solution in the water tank is the cleaner solution. It's Rug Doctor cleaner solution mixed with lots of water.